Hi guys, welcome back to the Resinator. Today I'm going to pour my little tulip pot, and I haven't poured this for such a long time, and I thought it was about time I did it again, really. I think the last time I did this, my video numbers were in the early 200s and we're now in the early 300s, so I thought that I would give this a go because I've got a couple of new colours to try. So I've got High Court Mica powder, which is a gorgeous blue. It's one of the new ones from Create and Bloom. And I have got Coral Opaque Pigment Paste. I'm going to pop a little bit of Nightfall in there. I would normally use Almost Midnight, which is darker than this, but I'm almost out of that, so I don't want to use it up yet. And a bit of Earthly Glitter, another one on my shopping list because I'm nearly out of it. And we're going to do it as a dirty pour. So this has just got alcohol in. I've already mixed my resin, and that is, what am I using today? Apex High Gloss. So I've already mixed it up and split it out. This has got alcohol in it, and that is so that my mica powder can dissolve a bit. So we're going to pop some of this in there. And then I think I'm going to add this little pot of resin to that. That's actually really gorgeous, but I do want a little bit more of that in there, I think. I might have just completely defeated the object of putting the alcohol in there, but never mind. That's better. So I'm just going to leave that there for a second, see if any powder floats up. Let's go with the smaller amount for the coral, because I just really want accents of this going through it. This will need a good stir to make sure all the pigments that will have settled are mixed in, and I'm going to scrape the stick. That's gorgeous. And if it added white to this, it would make a really nice peachy colour. So that's the coral. We're going to go with the Nightfall next. While I'm mixing these, I just want to say a quick hello and welcome to all of my new subscribers, because there's been a bit of an influx lately. I'm really glad to have you here, so thank you. And also a shout out to my members. Memberships are open. I put out one members first video a week, and hopefully soon there will be some members only content. I've got so many bloopers put away, I think I'm going to do a members only bloopers reel. I'm looking at this now and I'm not sure if those two blues are going to go together, but too late now. And then this one is going to be the Earthly Glitter. give my gloves a wipe because I'm getting covered in everything as usual. Please excuse me sniffing as well because of my hay fever. So before I start doing the dirty pour, I want to put a little bit of this in here because I always like to have a little bit around the edges. I'm not going to go mad. But hopefully some of that will flow down. And I'm also going to use the pot that I mixed the original resin in. So I'm going to start off with the Nightfall and then go in with Coral and then the High Court, then the Glitter, and I'm just going to keep going round and round like that until I've used up all of these colours. Oh, I'm not sure about these. Really not sure about these. Hope I've got enough here. That High Court is so stunning. So what have we got? At 150, and there's already a little bit in there. So let's just do it and pray. So there we go. I do still have a little bit left. I don't know if it's going to be enough to do anything with it though, so let's just grab a little pot. Let's just grab that. I've always got those by the side of me and plonk that in there. I don't know, there might be just enough in there. I think I need some of those silicone spatulas that I see everybody with that using to scrape their cups out. I think by the time I scrape all these cups properly, there'll be enough there. So let's move that over. Let's move that over. I might even have to make a little bit more up. Okay, so I'm going to put this on to cure and I will see you back for the demold. So it's time to demold this now, and I just want to show you the little extra that I did. I really love how that came out, and I really love how that earthly glitter looks against those other colours. Just to recap, it was Nightfall resin pigment, Coral resin pigment, High Court mica powder, and of course the earthly glitter. All available from Create and Bloom. So let's have a look at this tulip pot. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful on the inside there, where the glitter's gone in and then it's sort of flowing down. That's really pretty. I can see the high court. I can see bits of coral. That's really pretty. Nice and moody. Let's bring it up so you can have a look. I think that earthly glitter, if I show you from there, once it's with something blue, it kind of looks a little bit rose goldy. It's one of my favourite gold shades of glitters from Create and Bloom. I absolutely love it. As you can probably see, I need to get some more, but I'm really pleased with that. I love these little pots. They're really cool. They can be used as pen pots or anything like that, because they're quite a nice depth. Let me find a pen. There we go. They're a great depth for pens. So yeah, there we go. So if you like what I'm doing, please pop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. It's a couple of little clicks, it's free, and it really helps me grow the channel. Links to everything that I've used in this project will be down in the description, along with the link to my Amazon wish list and the link to buy me a coffee. Memberships are open, and the buttons to join the channel and the super thanks button are all down below as well. Thank you to all of my members. I really appreciate every single one of you. Your names will be popping up now. And thank you subscribers. I really appreciate you coming by, watching my videos, leaving the comments. All the engagement really helps the channel grow, so thank you. And all that's left is for me to say goodbye. So I will see you in the next one. Take care everyone. Bye.